Hi, welcome back to the channel. Just gonna do a quick little, couple packs. I'm across the street from my house at this local high school that's usually packed out with people because in the South, sports are a big deal, and some high schools have sports all year round. So I'm gonna be flying is the new ITS FPV Era. This guy seems like a really tough frame, really good frame. Flew it around the yard, flew good. T-motor stack, Walksnail V3 in the back with the V2 HD cam. T-motor slap motors. Set it up to bash. Don't have time to go out to my normal bando to really smash it up and see. Today I just want to kind of get the flight feel for it and see what happens. So.
The mysterious force is loose somewhere in outer space.
The mysteries of creation are there.
Up in the sky?
Up in the sky.
The moon and the planets are there, and new hopes for knowledge and peace are there. And therefore, as we set sail, we ask God's blessing on the most hazardous and dangerous and greatest adventure on which man has ever embarked.
Lord and master shall bring disaster to evil factors. Demonic chapters shall be captured by kings through the storms of days after, and to the earth from the sun through triple darkness to blast ya with a force that can't be compared to any firepower, for its mind power shared. The brainwave causes vessels to circulate like constellations reflect at night off the lake. Word to the Father and Mother Earth, seeking everlasting life through this hell for what it's worth. Look, listen, and observe, and watch another sea cycle pulling my peeps to the curb. Heed the words, it's like ghetto-style proverbs. The righteous pay a sacrifice to get what they deserve. Cannot afford to be confined to a cell. Brainwaves swell, turning the desert to a well. Experience the best teacher. Thoughts will spray like street sweepers. Little daddy street preacher, illustrious feature. Narrator you select, accompanied by deck plus the DJ you respect. The 7.5 combined over the front line. The 10%ers promoting slander in their airtime. Bear in mind, jewels be the tools of the trade. Sharp blades, heavenly praise, and dues are paid. Above the crowds, above the clouds, where the sounds are original. Infinite skills create miracles. Warrior spiritual. Above the clouds, raining down, holding it down.
Yeah, I leave scientists mentally scarred. Triple extra large, wild like rock stars who smash guitars. Poison bars from the guards, bust holes in your mirage. Catch a charge, shake them down like the riot squad. Invade your zone, ruin like ancient Rome. I span the universe and return to earth to claim my throne. The maker, owner, plus soul controller. Ayatollah, rest in the sky, the clouds my sofa. Stand like Colossus, regardless to whom or what. Numerous attempts in my life, so who to trust? Who but us? To supply her with the fire, the burning truth. 150 absolute proof on the mic like Moses spoke in Golden Squad. Survivor of the oldest tribe whose soldiers died. I know the 5 families, we shed tears and mourn, but our hands are on the ammo cause the battle's still on. Sound the horn. We come rumbling through the function. Precise laser beam technique to touch something. When we die hard, they build a monument to honor us with. Humongous effect in the world, we could've conquered it.
Above the crowds, above the clouds, where the sounds are original. Infinite skills create miracles. Warrior spiritual. Above the clouds, raining down, holding it down. Above the clouds, where the sounds are original. Infinite skills create miracles. Warrior spiritual.
Alright, this building's blocking my signal. I want to get a little bit more off in here, so bringing it with me. So far, this thing's pretty awesome. I hit a tree and then the ground once or twice. Not really durability tested it yet. But as far as just like flying goes, man, it flies really good. I've changed my rates recently, so I'm not flying as good as I normally do because, changed my rates. Trying to get rid of my Expo. I noticed on one of my micros that getting rid of my Expo made it easier to trippy spin, so I've been trying to do that on my bigger quads too. So there's an update for the Pocket 3 recently, and it's got me all confused. Recording in progress. Yeah, I know, recording's in progress. Anyways, all right. So we're gonna rip and dip. I only brought this pack that's on my quad and another one, then I'm gonna head over to the field. I ain't trying to push it right now. So let's just get a little bit of ripping in right here while I can. Are these even on? Those were not on. Anyway, I'm gonna try to do the little screen thing where this shrinks down the corner. I know y'all like y'all stick cams, but this will just be like a hanging out with me cam, and I'll kind of narrate as I go. So, never done that before. Let's see how that goes. Maybe it'll be cool. I don't know. Just trying to throw a quick video together for you guys. And come on, these straps. So far, its FPV straps are amazing, but I think they're too short. Yeah, I said it. They're too short. They're really awesome. These are probably the best quality straps. These and the Fly Tribe are probably the best quality straps. So. All right, let's do this. All right. Yes, I know my firmware does not match. Let's see how it goes. I'm really close to myself. Power line. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be talking, I guess. I don't know how people talk and fly. It's really freaking hard to do. Is it a straight shot? It is a straight shot. Okay. Let's try something cool. I don't know how I'm gonna come out of that. Where am I coming out at? Over there. Not as cool as I thought it would be. Woo! Alright, I'm not good at talking or trying to talk and fly. Bonk. Bonk. Everything's there though. Let's get out of here. Let's go to the stadium. Well, that was kind of a disappointment. Used to, you could just come in and run the field here. They had the gate open where anybody could come. But it shows you how long I've like lived across the street in this place. I've never even noticed, but apparently now you can't. They've got it locked up all the way around. So that sucks. I guess they don't want people messing with their AstroTurf. Since we can't get in there, I flew to the other side of the school, and there's like a canopy here and some stuff. So we'll finish this pack out, and swing by the bench, and then call it a video. How about that?
So sand beach, blood beach. Dance with the land, so it's clutching heat. Ugly, monks hung halo teach. Hugged by the map with a cable reach. 166 channels lit. The train that animal shit. Where the mind's eye redefined. Where's God? Bicar, kick tires. Back in '86, I lived for the four-course artistry. Metal work took turns showing off colors and shit. Like I invaded a maiden dance ritual. Criminal now. Why the things we find beautiful under my power? Elf and duck flashback. Motherfuckers is like, how? Why haven't we left yet? Dithering sine wave twang for youth and brain management truth. The van is like, you can't touch the crush groove. I live on the lunch table, touch fables, duck labels. Capital one, here to live for the Terradome stables. Sign of ruckus. I'd rather be mouth fucked by Nazis unconscious. Calling all bomb threats. The radio reactivated, caress. Under hella 5 missile defense. Fenced in, better blame it on Fame City grin. Walk with a bag full of kittens. Take me to the river and throw yourself in. In about 4 seconds, the ether will begin to lead. Who wanna hold hands with this sicko malnutrition and soak in new speed? Dissolve into the syncopated fragments of violence splash the loose leaves. We can embrace on the business end of my face first. Joe burst the volcano suicide lead. Dance with the vinyl monster. Devil in blue sky blind with clean conscience.
save the gesture. Can't save the children, we weren't worth the effort. I'm a caveman, your mind always frightening.
So this wasn't that big of a deal, but it was something I wanted to make sure I was doing right, or maybe something that was wrong before I fixed it. I wanted to contact them, and now I'm going to share my thoughts on it. So if you see here, there's a little bit of a tiny gap in this countersunk screw area right here. This is supposed to be in a little bit more in flush, and I'll show you exactly why that is. Real quick, we're going to jump to this mount being off. Alright, now the mount's off. The way this works is there is a tiny little hole in here in the nylon. You run your countersunk screw through here, through this mount, and into this little hole, and it should have enough room in this hole for the screw to go in and tighten itself down into this hardened nylon right here. Now on mine, there was material left inside here, so as you screw in, it wouldn't actually fit in the hole, and it wouldn't go in the hole because there's material left over. And this is hard nylon, it's not 3D print you can just scrape out of there. So I have to get a soldering iron or heat a screw up to kind of push it in there, which is fine, I can do that, but I wanted to make sure before I did that, you know, that maybe I wasn't doing something wrong. So the way it works is this goes in through here and then screws in through your mount, and then it's supposed to tighten down into this nylon. Me personally would have liked it. They have these little, as you can see here in the front, they have these little threads that are kind of melted or cooked into this hardened nylon. I don't know why they didn't put one here, but I feel like that would have been a really good place for one. Maybe they have reasons I don't know about, because this is a very well designed frame and thought out frame. So it's weird that they didn't have one right here. Maybe it wouldn't fit, I don't know. But I feel like the next iteration could really use one if that's possible, because you're just screwing into nylon. And now it's tough, don't get me wrong, I just flew it with it incorrect without trying to modify it, and didn't hit directly into this mount, and didn't have an issue. So I don't know, that's just my thoughts on it. Everything else on the frame, it was super clean gyro, flew amazing. It was pretty tough, took some hits, and nothing major though. I really haven't done the durability testing, so we'll do that out at the Bando. I just wanted to share my experience with this. I contacted them, sent them pictures, that's what we determine's up with it. They immediately sent me a new one, which it's still on its way from Germany. So until then, I just modified it to get it to do what it needs to do so I can fly. So alright, that's enough for today. I'm getting super sweaty. Yeah, so that was the issue I had with the little mount thing. Nothing real major. It was cool of them to send me another one. I ain't got it yet, but I got the tracking number. It's on its way. I haven't scraped the stuff out or hit it with a solder and tried to fix it. I wanted to send it just like as it was to see if it was going to be an issue. My mount just took a hard hit, and it is a little loose and floppy. I haven't seen the footage yet, so if there's a bunch of jello, then maybe that has something to do with it. If not, then we're good. But yeah, high school wasn't as cool as I thought it was going to be, but it's still a pretty sweet spot. And but I'm not as bummed out because I've always wanted to fly it, but there's always been people here, and it's been this unattainable thing. But now that I've flown it, yeah. I'm going to take this thing to the Bando as soon as I get an off day and it's not raining. We got the tropical storm coming, so the next free day I have to fly, I'm going to destroy this thing at the indoor part of my Bando. So I know some of y'all have seen it, and if you haven't seen it, go back and check it out. This is a pretty cool little Bando, but if this thing will break, it's going to do it there. So appreciate y'all watching and all that stuff. And if you're interested in this frame, get it. It's freaking awesome. It flies really good. I can't tell you how tough it is, but it does fly extremely good. So now it's not going to replace my quad mulas, obviously. Those are near and dear to my heart. Those are my babies. But it's a good spare frame to have somewhere that I know is going to be sketchy, and then I know I'm going to break something, and maybe I want to pull this out just to see, try new tricks or something like that. So yeah, gets a thumbs up from me. If you're looking to get one, get one. It's pretty badass. Y'all have a good one. Appreciate it.
No corner cut, no build team, only a particularly menacing angle perpendicular to everything.